students, and once again welcome back to our online classes of grammar of 6th standard. So students, I hope that up to now you have completed all the lessons that are previously taught. You have completed it in your fair notebook. Have you or not? If not, you have to complete it and write down in your fair notebook. So students, up to now you have understood that we have divided the grammar lessons between me and Nishala ma'am. So, me and my partner Nishala ma'am, we have divided all these lessons among ourselves. So, previously myself have taught you the lesson nouns and Nishala Pawar ma'am has taught you the lessons nouns, the number. So students, right now we are going to study a new topic and the name of that topic is nouns, the gender. So students, you will ask me, ma'am, what is the meaning of gender? So, gender is a noun that represents a particular person or a thing as a male or female and either male or female or it is neither a male nor female. So, that we are going to study in today's lesson and the name of the lesson is now the gender. So, students, there are four types of genders and which are they? First, masculine gender. Now, masculine gender, noun that is related to male or a boy. That is the meaning of the masculine gender. So, you have understood this by the noun that is related to a male or a boy. For example, man, cock, tiger, peacock, etc. Now, second type is feminine gender. Obviously, feminine gender, it is a noun that is related to female or a girl. It represents whether the person is a female or a girl. So students, the example of feminine genders are woman, hen, tigress, peahen, etc. Now, third type is common gender. Now, common gender means the noun that is neither, that cannot belong to either masculine or feminine, or it represents both. That is the meaning of common gender. So, examples of the common gender are child, doctor, driver, pilot, students, etc. So, students, you have understood that when we are talking about a child, that child may be male or that child may be female. So, it comes under the title of common gender. So, whenever we are talking about a doctor, so doctor may be a lady doctor or maybe a gents doctor. So, male doctor. So, it comes under the title of the common gender, such as driver, pilot, student, etc. So, all these nouns may be, they can be male or female. Next type is neuter gender. Neuter gender means a noun that do not have a gender. That comes under the title of the neuter gender. That is the meaning of the neuter gender. So, which are the examples of neuter gender? For example, tree. Tree do not have any gender. It is not neither male or female. So, it has no gender. So, it comes under the title of the neuter gender. Then, bus, pen, car, street, etc. All are the types of the neuter genders. We can form feminine genders of the noun by the following. So, first type is by adding ESS to the words. For example, actor, that will become actress. Lion, lioness. Priest, priestess. Then author, authoress. Tiger, tigress. Prince, princess. Hare, heiress. Host, hostess. God, goddesses. Now second type, by adding she and woman. So fisherman will become fisher woman. Very good. Then washerman will become washer woman. Businessman will become business woman. Salesman, it will become saleswoman. Manservant will become maidservant. So like this, we can form feminines of the noun by adding ESS to the word. Simply you have to add ESS to that given word. Actor, actress, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, author, authoress, tiger, tigress, prince, princess, hare, heiress, host, hostess, god, goddess. And by adding she and woman, for example, fisherman will become fisherwoman, washerman will become washerwoman, businessman will become businesswoman. Yes, 1 minute. Here, 2 words are remaining. She goat, he goat will become she goat. And godfather will become godmother. Then salesman, saleswoman, manservant, maidservant. So like this, these are the examples to make feminine nouns. Now, another type is by using a totally different word. I hope up to now have you understood all this? Okay. Now, we are going to see next one. That is using a totally different word. Which are they that we are going to see now? So third type is by using a totally different word. For example, first example I am writing here, boy. Feminine gender of boy is girl. Second, nephew. Feminine gender of this is niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece. Third number, lord. Lord is a word. We use landlord. The feminine gender of this lord is lady. Fourth one is bull or ox. Bull or ox is the friend of farmer. So, bull or ox, the female noun for this word is cow. That is the feminine gender. Fifth one is horse. Feminine gender for this is mare. Then sixth one is drake. And feminine gender of this is duck. Next one, that is very simple, you know all. Father. Yes, what is the feminine gender for this? Mother. Very good. Then husband. The feminine gender for this is wife. Very good. You all are very clever. King. Queen. Cock. Hen. Colt. Filly. F-I-L-L-Y, filly. Then bridegroom. When you go for the wedding, the center of attraction is bridegroom, and the female noun for this bridegroom is bride. These are the center of attraction. Whenever you go in the wedding, you just curious to see who is the bridegroom and who is the bride. So they are the center of attraction. So next one, son, daughter, I forgot to give the numbers here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So son, and the feminine noun for this is daughter. Then gentleman. Then feminine noun for this is lady. Then boar, B-O-A-R, boar. Sock. Then fox. Feminine gender for this is vixen. Peacock. Already I have told you, feminine gender of this is peahen. then 18 uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt. Nineteen hero, heroine. Buck, dog. Gander, goose. Ram, Eve. So, in this way, we can make feminine genders by using a totally different words. Now, students, turn the page and see on page number 24. Now, here, speak out of the feminine gender for the words given below. So that we have already studied now, and you have to write down the answers in your textbook on page number 24. And this is your home assignment for you. And you have to write down all the answers in your grammar textbook on page number 24. So, question number D is also there. What is the question number D? Rewrite these highlighted sentences by changing the masculine nouns to the feminine nouns. Now, one example I just want to explain it to you, and others you have to do by your own self. By yourself. Now, which are the examples? Which is the sentence that we are going to see now? Question number D. I am not writing the question. You can just see in the textbook on page number 24. Ram's landlord is a widower. Ram's landlord is a widower. Two words are highlighted here. The first word is landlord and the second word is the widower. Now you have to write down the answer. And Ram's answer is Ram's. What is the female noun for landlord? Yes, the female word that is for landlord is landlady. Ram's landlady is a widow. What is the female word for widower? That is widow. So like this you have to write down the answers in your textbook. I hope that up to now you have understood what is the meaning of gender. There are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. And we have also seen their examples and what is the female noun for that. That also we have seen in this lesson. I hope that you have understood it very well, and I would like to stop here, and you have to do your home assignment that is given on page number 24 in your textbook, and also write down all these examples in your notebook. So till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.